Hey there, fashion enthusiasts. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing tool for fashion e-commerce, Botika. Ever wished you could effortlessly create stunning, photorealistic fashion images without breaking the bank? Well, with Botika, now you can. Here's how it works. Step 1. Upload your existing on-model photos. Whether it's a variety of angles or even headless shots, Botika lets you get creative without compromising on image quality. Simply upload your existing on-model images and let the magic begin. Step 2. Choose from a diversified AI-generated model gallery. Botika offers a diverse range of AI-generated models, free from any licensing restrictions. Choose the perfect models to showcase your products and enhance your brand's visual appeal. Step 3. Easily swap backgrounds and create lifestyle photos. With Botika, you can optimize photo backgrounds and transform standard studio shots into eye-catching editorials with just a click of a button. Say goodbye to mundane product images and hello to captivating visuals. Step 4. Transform everyday photos into professional studio-grade images. Even your homemade photos can shine with Botika. Transform ordinary snapshots into beautiful product images that your customers will love, enhancing your brand's presence in the market. With Botika, the possibilities are endless. Start creating stunning fashion product photos effortlessly and watch your sales soar. Try Botika now and experience the future of fashion e-commerce. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your fashion e-commerce game with Botika today.